Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to create a line break in Google Sheets. Let's begin. Step 1. Welcome to my hold water. Press enter. Press enter. See this at line break. And step 2. Click another cells, text warping or go to format tab, overflow warp. Sorry, wrap. Wrap only on cells or multiple cells. Example, select two cells or one cells as you wish. Go to format tab, wrapping, wrap. Then type anything, press enter. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.